Hi, welcome. I'm Amy with Amy's Crafts and Things. Today's tutorial will talk about changing shapes of overlapped patterns. As you can see, I have some shapes already up on our workspace, and I will show you how to do this. So with your Control key pressed, select one or more of the shapes. We'll go ahead and select them all. And then we will go to the Home tab. And we'll click on Modify Overlap, which is located just to the right of Arrange. And we will click on Remove Overlap. As you can see in your sewing order on the left-hand portion of your screen, that the overlap has been removed. The purple portion is what we'll stitch out first, and then the blue one, and then the purple one. Let's go ahead and click on our sewing simulator to see how it will sew out. And have the purple one selected here, the pink one. Let's go ahead and minimize all our shapes. We will select all. I'll use the little handle here to resize it. Put it up there in the corner. Let's go ahead and draw a couple more shapes to show you what it looks like to merge them. Move one of shapes. Let's go ahead and pull the Shift key down. And we'll go back under Shapes. We'll grab the square. Change the color to the blue. And we'll grab one more shape for fun. Do the heart this time. We'll give that a different color as well. Now I will go ahead and select them all. I'll hold the Control key down and select the shapes that I would like. Let's go ahead and resize it. Now with those three shapes selected, we will go Home. We'll go back to Modify Overlap, and we'll click on Merge. As you can see, it merged all three of those shapes together, and it also changed the color to the last shape on the list. Removing or merging an overlapped region of patterns with sewing direction specified, the sewing direction returns to the uniform default direction. So let's click on Select and select points, and it shows you with this arrow here the sewing direction of the design. I hope this has helped you. Please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe so we can continue helping others learn our craft. Thanks for watching.